Hare Krishna. Hi everyone, welcome.
In this video, we are going to implement a Java program to remove the duplicates from the array using the HashSet. Let us take an example of array having the element 6, 4, 6, 3, 2, and we need to remove the duplicate from this array, that is 6, using the HashSet, and we need to print the output saying the array elements after removing the duplicate element from the array is 2, 3, 4, 6. Let us practically implement this program using Java. First, we'll add main method. We declare and initialize an array. Int array is equal to initialize with element 6, 4, 6, 3, 2, and we need a hash set to remove the duplicate element from the array. Let us create an object of hash set of generic type integer. We name it as set is equal to new of hash set of integer. Hash set by nature is an unordered collection and which doesn't store the duplicate elements. So the elements added to hash set doesn't guarantee any sort order. And always whenever we create an object of hash set, linked hash set, it's a best practice to upcast it to the set interface so that in the future if you want to change the requirement from hash set to the linked hash set, then we can easily implement that without touching the core part of the program. Now let us add the elements of array to the hash set using the for loop. For int I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length, I plus plus set dot add. We use the add method present in the hash set to add the elements of array to the hash set. Set dot add array of I. The for loop iterates through the array and adds each and every element from the array to the hash set, and hash set will ignore the duplicate element from the array. It doesn't allow that to be stored in the hash set. Now convert the hash set back to the array using the inbuilt method present in the set interface, set.toArray, which takes the parameter of integer, new integer, set.size. The size of the new array is nothing but the size of the hash set, and we store it into a array called array2 of integer data type. Finally, we print the elements of the array after removing the duplicate using the system.out.println using the arrays.toString method. Let us also add a print statement before removing the duplicate from the array. Let's run the program. Array elements before removing the duplicate from the array is 6, 4, 6, 3, 2. Array elements after removing the duplicate from the array is 2, 3, 4, 6. The program is perfectly working fine. Let us debug the program to understand the logic in a clear way. You can see that the program control reached the line number 17 inside the for loop where we have added a debug point. First time the value of I is 0. The value present inside the array index 0 is 6. 6 will be added to the set. Initially set doesn't have any elements. Now 6 is added to the set. Now I is incremented by 1. I is having the value 1. The value at index 1 is 4. Now 4 will be added to the hash set. Now I is incremented by 1 again. I is having the value 2. The value at array index 2 is 6. Set is already having the value 6. Now 6 is not added to the hash set. Now I is incremented by 1 again. I is having the value 3. Value at index 3 is 3. 3 will be added to the hash set. Now I is again incremented by 1. I is having the value 4. The value present at index 4 is 2. Now the 2 will be added to the hash set using add method. Now the I is again incremented by 1. I is having the value 5. 5 less than array dot length. The condition becomes false. The for loop is terminated and we convert the hash set to the array using toArray method, and finally we print the elements of the array after and before removing the duplicates from the array. Array elements before removing the duplicate from the array is 6, 4, 6, 3, 2. Array elements after removing the duplicate from the array is 2, 3, 4, 6.
Thanks for watching.